All right, I'm ready for Fierce Fridays. I want to break free. No,
No way.
Freddie?
Freddie.
Freddie!
Freddie.
Well, happy Halloween, and I'm so
Happy
excited about
Halloween.
this edition. Ooh, my mustache is coming off. I'm so excited about this edition of Fierce Fridays because today we're going to talk about Halloween party planning tips. I've got 6 steps for you to make a fierce Halloween party. Are you ready? Step 1, pick a theme. And don't just go with black and orange or spooky wizard ghoul. Get crazy. Go and do a Team Burton themed Halloween party. Or like our party last year, do a 7 Deadly Sins party. Or a masquerade ball. Get it? Masquerade ball. Huh? My mustache keeps coming off. Okay. Step 2, get decor. If you're gonna go classic, then get some pumpkins and gourds from your local farm. Otherwise, focus on the lighting. Lighting is everything. Get some twinkle lights, get some up lights. It'll completely transform your space. Use colors that inspire you. You don't have to go with black and orange because the rest of the world is doing black and orange for their Halloween party. And let the theme really inspire you. Buy props that are inspired by your theme. If you're doing a Dias de los Muertos party, get some sugar skulls, get some marigolds, have some fun. Create a focal point for your room. You don't have to go crazy with decor. All you need is one focal point, and that can be the place where your guests take photo booth pictures, or that could be where you display your desserts and foods and drinks. Number 3, pick an activity. Have a Halloween movie marathon in your backyard. Have a pumpkin carving party. Have a backyard bonfire and have all of your guests tell a spooky ghost story. Or have a costume contest. Best costume wins a prize. Step 4, pick your menu. Skip the chips and dip. Everyone does that. Instead, offer a charcuterie board and style it to make it look really spooky. Get some cookies made that are based on your theme. If you're having a Sweeney Todd Halloween party, offer some meat pies with, not human parts in it. That's a little too on theme. 5, choose a specialty cocktail. I don't care what party you're throwing. You better have a specialty cocktail. Ooh, you can have some dry ice. If you don't want to make your own cocktail, order some from us with parties to go. And last but not least, invite your guests. You can host your party virtually via Zoom. You can have it in your backyard. Get some bonfires and heat lamps to keep your guests warm. Maybe get some tents. Or if you're gonna have it indoors, keep it small and make sure everybody's wearing a mask. And that's it. Those are my 6 steps for having a fierce Halloween party, brought to you by Freddie Mercury. Oh, that's it.
No. No.
Dale.
No.
Ooh, dee-da-be-da-be-dee-dee-da-be-dee-dee-da. Dale.
No.
Nice.